the streets are filled with laughter and light, and the music of the season, and the merchants' windows are all bright with the faces of the children and the families hurrying to their homes. As the sky darkens and freezes, we'll be gathering around the hearths and tables, giving thanks for God's graces and the birth of the rebel